Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Widgy is installed and has widget permissions. This gets the system ready. Open the app and pick a template or select blank to start. Once done, long press your home screen, tap the plus, then add a Widgy placeholder. You're now linked to the live editor. Make sure to keep both the editor and home screen visible so you can apply changes and preview them in real time as you proceed. Now focus on building the widget. Add layers like text, image, shape, or custom script and arrange them in order. Use the inspector to adjust size, alignment, opacity, fonts, and color so the layout reads clearly. For dynamic content, link a data source with JSON or a URL, or pick a built-in source such as weather or calendar. Once layers are configured, preview interactions and refine spacing. Small adjustments here prevent layout issues later when the widget resizes. Finish by saving your preset and giving it a clear name, then tap Apply to push the change to the home screen widget. Test the preset for small, medium, and large sizes so text and images scale properly. If the widget appears blank or stale, make sure Widgy permissions and background refresh are enabled, verify data URLs return valid JSON, and force refresh the widget cache in app. If problems persist, revert to a recent saved preset and reapply changes incrementally to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.